let's take a look at some smart filtering and smart assistant AI functionality here in btPRO kvCORE. I've got a filter run right here for anybody who's still in new lead status. This is a pretty big database. They were emailed last year, they haven't received an email since last calendar year, about more than 5 months ago, and they also haven't received a text. So these things happened. We're not keeping track of our database in this case, right? We want to kind of re-engage some of these people. We've got 218 of them. So I checked the box here. And let's click on email. We can do the same thing with text. And let's use the Smart Assistant. Let's say something like custom prompt. You notice here that you can send a welcome email, a check-in, promote a listing, a specific listing. So if you do have a specific listing, for example, you see here I just clicked that and it just went on right off and it just wrote out this email about the listing. Really cool stuff. And all I would need to do is add my MLS ID right up in here and it would merge all that info in. Kind of nuts, actually, when you think about it. But let's go ahead and do some kind of re-engagement. So I'm going to delete all that. I'm going to click Use Smart Assistant, and then I'm going to click Custom Prompt. And I'm going to say, check in to see if this person is still interested in real estate in Pinellas County, Florida. So again, I'm going to craft this message, and what it writes might not be exactly what I want right off the bat, right? It's gonna assume, it's gonna write like an AI writes, right? It might sound too smart, might not sound smart enough. But look, just like that, in just a few seconds, checking in on your interest in real estate in Pinellas County, Florida. Not bad, right? I might do still interested in real estate in Pinellas County. It might make it sound more like me, but that's not terrible. I hope this finds you well. I want to touch base and see if you're still interested in real estate opportunities in Pinellas County, Florida. Pinellas County is known for its beautiful beaches. Hey, why not? It's doing a good job of selling my area, maybe better than I can, right? If you're still in the market, look forward to hearing from you soon. You know, this isn't bad, honestly. I would just go ahead maybe and click send on this. And again, you see here, you include your signature. It's going to have all your info merged into it. Not bad at all. So that is for an email. If I wanted to shoot a quick text, let's just exit this out here. Just click text. You can do sort of the same thing. I can promote a listing. I can also click on the, I thought this was pretty cool. I can click on the microphone and say something like, hey, please send a quick text checking to see if this person is still interested in buying or selling real estate in Pinellas County. All right, and then it caught, since I'm recording a video for you guys, it caught the first part of what I said, but let's click generate now, and let's see what it does. Hey, not too bad at all. So it kept it short and sweet. Are you still interested in buying or selling real estate in Pinellas County? So, hey, this is pretty cool stuff. We've got Smart Assistant AI functionality built into the system here for you to use. A big time saver, especially if you're not so excited when it comes to writing and coming up with ideas. You can basically just tell the AI what you're trying to do, and it writes pretty darn good messaging for you. And of course here, we started this all with just sort of playing with our database, some of the cool filtering options we have here in the system. I went over to behaviors and I just selected, hey, somebody who hasn't been texted since last year, somebody who hasn't been emailed last year, and just see if we can create any opportunities out of the database, out of the leads we've already generated, which of course is what you want the most out of a CRM or a database tool that you use. You got to use the thing often, and you also got to leverage its functionality to its fullest. So if you want to stay tuned and be informed whenever we drop new videos like this one, go ahead and hit a like here. If you're watching on Facebook, if you're watching on YouTube, definitely do subscribe to the YouTube channel and click the notification bell so you're always notified in real time as we release new tips and tricks related to kvCORE and btPRO.